Prince of Wales was established in 1927 and is one of the National Historic Sites of Canada. It is located in Waterton Lakes National Park, Alberta. It was named after the Prince of Wales, later King Edward VIII. The building was designed in a rustic architectural style with the addition of Swiss chalet architectural elements. The lobby features a two-story window facing Upper Waterton Lake. Inside the hotel, you will see bellmen wearing kilts. Their role is part of the hotel's unique atmosphere, which includes its vintage charm and connection to the golden age of Canadian railway resort development. The bellmen are in charge of the nightly talks about the hotel's history. They also assist guests with the hotel's antique, single-operator elevator. This is the oldest manual elevator in Northern America. Prince of Wales is famous for being spooky. The hotel staff have a tradition of sharing ghost stories with guests in the lobby after dark. Stay until the end of the video if you want to hear the tale of Sarah's ghost. The most famous phantom of the Prince of Wales Hotel is Sarah's ghost, also known as the Lady in White. A spectre of a young woman in a white gown. She makes her presence known by locking windows left open overnight, running the taps, knocking on doors, turning the lights on, and blowing her icy breath down the necks of unsuspecting guests. Some hotel patrons have reported hearing footsteps in the hallways or on the balconies. It is likely that the legend of Sarah's ghost is based on a tragic event that took place in 1977, a particularly dark year for the Prince of Wales Hotel. Perhaps the most tragic event to take place that year was the suicide of a 20-year-old employee, who worked in the hotel's gift shop. This employee, named Lorraine, had fallen in love with Clifford Hummel, the manager of the hotel. When Hummel, who was already in a relationship at that time, failed to reciprocate her affections, Lorraine was heartbroken. On Saturday, July 30, 1977, the grief-stricken Lorraine stripped naked and ran throughout the hotel before leaping to her death from the balcony on the hotel's 6th floor. Her broken body was discovered on the flagstone patio that overlooks the Waterton Lakes.
During my stay here, there are 3 things that I find more spooky than the ghost stories.
The first one is the noise.
I could hear my neighbors' voices and footsteps. The building is so old, I could hear creaking noises everywhere.
Next are the flies. They stayed on the windows mostly, but I imagine there are more of them during the summer. Waterton is always windy, but I wasn't prepared how strong it would be during the night.
I woke up from sleep several times, not only because of the sound of the wind but also because I felt the building slightly shaking. If you don't mind these things, I promise you will have a great and enjoyable time here.